Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking you on how to cook moi moi. You can see the ingredients here. Read for yourself, okay? So today it was my girl favor that was in the kitchen. You can see her hands. I'm not fair like that though. I'm black and ugly. So this is what you use to do moi moi beans, white beans. Here, moi moi is called Koki. Koki beans. Koki in Cameroon, okay? But in Nigeria they call it moi moi. In Cameroon, we do it with palm oil. In Nigeria, they do it with granite oil. Okay, so this is how she put it inside the blender. Guys, it's commonly known that you have to peel the beans, but my girl, now laziness will not kill will not leave her. So she went in like that without peeling the beans, but it's sure fine now. We are eating it in the house. So if you want to do a business with it, guys, please, I'll advise you peel off the beans to remove those plastics, like those, now the beans is kind of hard cover, hard layer. Okay, so in the pot we had already blended our tomatoes, onions, and all the spices listed at the beginning of the video. Okay, so now when you put your koki beans, like your moi moi inside, you have to mix and stir till it combines, all the ingredients combined inside. Okay, then you go in with your oil, whatever oil you're using at this level. If you're using palm oil or groundnut oil, just go in with it at this point, and then look for your leaves. But normally we are in India, we are in the house, we don't have leaves, so we don't know where to get it. So we went in with some nylon bags, these plastic bags here. I know some of you will say it's not healthy. Please, black man not die dirty. Okay, we are alive, so we don't need to be crying all those stuff. We are black people, we can't die easily. So now in your pot, you put in water, but before you put water, you can put some leaves under, or you can put a lid of a pot so that you don't directly put your moi moi in the water. You can put a lid of the pot in the pot before you put water, or you put leaves. Like you should not just put the moi moi directly, because it actually steams that will make it cook, right? So you see, she was testing her eye favor. Can you imagine that she finished all this just for testing? Ah, this girl, she can eat for Africa. Anyways, so this Hannah, she was testing her mom. Oh, this thing was so nice, girl. If I'm posting it on my channel, it's because I so much enjoyed it. Shout out to Nigerians for this delicious food. Moi moi, it's so super good. This Hannah doing her girl stuff. Almost see the way she's eating. It's a charming one. Look at the way she's going to put the second one. As if she wanted to charm somebody. See. Oh my god. Oh girl. Guys, please sorry. Oh. Okay, now this is it now. This is the image. Oh, enjoy. Bye bye.